another Thoughts on Tech video.
Today the first video comparing the GoPro's Hero 7 and 8 Black, starting with the outside of both cameras. When it comes to footprint, if you compare both cameras naked, you can see that the GoPro grew a little bit in this new generation. It is larger in most ways, but is slimmer, by not having a removable lens cover. But if you compare the 7 on its frame with the 8 without, because it now don't need one anymore for mounting purposes, then the 7 is bigger in every way. This change in dimensions will unfortunately make some of the accessories that you have previously used on your GoPro, since the Hero 5 until the Hero 7 not compatible anymore. In the new generation, the Hero Black now comes with integrated mounts, the folding fingers. GoPro claims they are designed in a way that the weakest link are the folding fingers that would break case big forces are applied, as in a big crash for example. They can be replaced and the rest of the camera survives. Well, time will show if it is like that. The new GoPro now only has one waterproof door, and behind that you find the battery, the memory card and the USB-C port. And what did the Hero 8 lost in comparison with the previous generation? Well, in the first place, the frame. You now mount it via the folding fingers, but the frame was also a protection layer that is not there anymore. By only having one door where you find all connections, the Hero 8 dropped the mini HDMI port. In the past was also possible to charge the camera while in operation without having the battery compartment open. That was an advantage in my opinion. But for me, the most sensitive loss in this new iteration was the removable lens cover. GoPro took this decision because the water damage claims on the Hero 7 Silver and White were significantly lower, and they had this design already. Also, because the microphone is now located under the lens, they claim that a larger protrusion would generate microscopic air turbulence that would affect sound quality. The batteries of both cameras have the same size and capacities. The battery from the Hero 8 Black, that you see here with the blue accents, has nevertheless a new battery management system that allows a higher discharge rate that the camera needs apparently for some of the new features, like the Hypersmooth Boost. You are still able to use batteries from your old Hero 7 on the new Hero 8, but you will receive a warning. Stay tuned, as there are more videos to come comparing both these cameras in many other ways.